All our children essentially were out of the house, so we didn't need the big house, and I didn't need all the overhead and the work associated with a big home and a big lot. There were several reasons why I was attracted to this community. One was within our circle of our existing community, so we would not have to change doctors or lose key friends. And we were familiar with the area, and we really liked the Cascade area. We've never lived anywhere as long as we've lived in this area before. The size of the community with 21 homes was kind of neat. So I thought this was just an ideal size, and I liked the way it was laid out. It's compact enough, but there's enough space between homes. I think there's been a lot of thought put into how do we best put together a grouping of homes, but make it so that it's very welcoming and warm. And I think we have that here. Douglas and his team, I think, are really fascinating to work with. He was welcoming, but he was into really explaining this whole concept about the home, that it was really designed for people that are at my stage in my life. I mean, you live on the first floor, yes, you're gonna have a lower level that allows you to have some capability for company. And we just really hit it off. Come on, puppy. The other thing is, he has surrounded himself with, I think, a team of his subs that I think are really very good. They're not only good at what they do, but they're very personable. So it was easy to work with them with regard to what can we do here, what can't we do here. And so from that perspective, it was a lot of fun for me personally, and they did a great job.